Alright, we are heading to a nearby larger town, small city, I don't know what they call it here, to hit up some thrift stores. We need a little bit of warmer clothing for a few of us. I brought some, but some of us only have like one outfit and we don't have a washing machine in this Airbnb, so we're wearing the clothes that need to be washed during the day when we go to the little laundry facility. So we need to get at least one more for a few of us that are lacking. And then after that, we're gonna go and see some waterfalls. 1, 2, 3. We're the Boyd family!
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
Jesse.
Yeah. I come for you.
Kung Fu me. Did you train with Master Shifu? Whoa, careful.
That is very cute. Really like that.
I'll put box. The box.
Oh, you got a book? I had no idea who that is.
Paw Patrol!
Paw Patrol!
Want it?
Yeah.
There you go.
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol!
Okay.
I see you're smiling at me. You like looking at yourself?
Think of that terrible or kind of cute?
Kind of cute.
I'm trying.
Alright, so we were looking for somewhere to eat lunch and a local just stopped and chatted with us. We were standing on the street corner trying to figure it out and he suggested going to this place. Pretty sure we got the right place. It's Cameron's. Took a minute to understand the accent. But it's a department store with a restaurant, so we're gonna go see.
Everyone in town says to come here.
Yeah, they have a good selection apparently. So we're gonna check it out, see what their food's like. It's always good to get advice from the locals. They know where it's at.
9.
It closes at 3.
Oh, so they're done. Closes at 3. Well, if we were here 10 minutes ago, it would be great. All right, well, we tried. We arrived at 2:59. They close at 3. So we'll have to find somewhere else. The guy also mentioned some fish and chip places, so that might be where we're heading. What?
That is all mine.
That is to share.
A shoe? Yeah.
A share pizza.
More we
Pizza.
can
A pizza.
A pizza. Those salads look
Did you want a
so
spicy
good.
That's amazing.
That's like a Greek-ish, but avocado.
Yeah.
How's the pizza, guys?
I haven't tried it yet.
It's really good.
Oh, eating your wings? How's your wings? The pizza's really good, Emmy? It's good?
It's good.
It's good?
Really
Really
good.
good?
I seem to have a knack for picking the wrong outfit. On the hot days, I'm bundled up, and on the cold days, I'm freezing. The one day I didn't bring a jacket with me.
Our accent's going from ya 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 to.
Oh no, I'm still doing the yaw.
So, you guys want to go to the waterfall? Adri, what was that? Yeah. You look just like your mother.
Waterfall.
Let's go down and see it.
Be careful because you might trip and fall.
Yeah, you don't want to trip and fall.
Oh, be slow like a creature.
Up.
Ouch.
Here's the coffee mixture. The coffee mixture out there.
It's a coffee color.
What is it? Water? Yeah.
Oh, Adri's off.
To tell you.
Are you an Assassin's Creed?
She couldn't resist the tree.
Look at it.
Are you an Assassin's
It was begging to be climbed.
Just look at it.
Would you look at that?
Look at it.
It's got moss all on the side of it. Makes a nice little bed for you.
I wonder what kind of tree it is.
Betsy's making animal noises.
You want to go up there? Yeah. You're just trying to do it.
What is it?
Wood sorrel.
Don't
Lots
step.
of it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Does it taste appley?
No, it looks a little bit like the green plant of death.
Does it taste
Sometimes they get
apple?
confused.
Does it taste appley?
Yes.
And we are in a shady.
Oh, is it the sweet kind?
It's lemony. You want to try it?
Sorrel.
No, wood sorrel. You gotta get the name right.
Need me a perfect one.
Here.
You just ate it.
Oh, I ripped off one leaf.
That's not perfect.
You better eat it.
That's not perfect.
Then I'll eat it.
You eat it.
Even if she rips it off the stem.
Oh no, it's in a spider web. Perfect one, but there is no such thing as perfect.
Nope, there isn't. You gonna drink it?
Should I?
If you want. How's it taste?
I only got one drop.
Okay. What
Adri.
did she
Get off the table.
Give me
Adri.
one. Give me one. Chocolate.
You've heard of the milk mustache, haven't you?
It's Ball.
look at what she got you?
Jesse?
Oh, there
Chocolate fluffy.
Chocolate sausage.
How does it taste, boy?
I want it.
Just the somebody's broken arm.
Lisa, need me more consider.
Caramel?
Don't fall off.
Tell me. It's chocolate caramel chocolate.
Oh, chocolate caramel chocolate. Good. Point, are you a hobbit?
Get it on, Toby. Get it on,
Goodness
Toby.
gracious, look at that.
All right, we're just heading out to do some laundry real quick. Me and Michael, and we got Levi with us. Say hi, Levi.
Say hi.
Usually I try to always make sure that the Airbnbs we stay at have washing machines, but I overlooked it this time. I forgot to check, and so this one doesn't. So we're gonna go do laundry at the local facility, but I just wanted to show you guys because this is something we've never seen before. In all of our years of traveling and doing laundry at laundromats, this was a new experience for us. You gotta clean your teeth out while we're recording.
Yeah, that's a lime.
So we're gonna show you. So this is a laundromat in Northern Ireland. It is literally outside in the parking lot of the gas station. So you can just keep it enclosed, kind of like a little bus stop right around it. And then it's 24 hours, you don't have to worry about it closing, and there's no whole building to have to worry about. So, kind of cool. And there it goes. Right out in the gas station parking lot. So we're heading for a hike through all of this beautiful scenery. We get to hike through this kind of an area, which I'm super excited for. And it's actually on somebody's private farm. They set up this hike on somebody's farm in memory of one of their relatives that just wanted people to get to experience all of the land, all of this type of area that he lived in and he loved so much. And so they set up a hike through their property for the public to be able to come and hike on. And it goes through several different types of scenery.
Landscape.
Several different types of landscape. And so, yeah, it's kind of exciting. This is our last day in Northern Ireland. Tomorrow we are moving to a different part of the island. And so this is going to be really exciting.
We were driving, we didn't know which way to go, and then some random dude is like pulled over in his car, standing outside of his car. I don't know why he was standing outside of his car, but he was outside of his car, And we pulled up. Oh crap, another car. Okay, what is with you people? We're gonna die.
I don't know what he just said to me.
He said, oh.
He said hello.
Oh. I heard oh. So this local random guy, my mom's like, we're looking for a hike. And he said, oh yeah, just go down the road 2 miles and you'll find a wee little wooden sign. It'll tell you where to go. And we're like, okay. Yeah. But now we don't know if we've gone too far because we did not see the wee wooden sign yet.
I don't measure in miles very well. So miles, I think it's a long way, but
It's only like 1.25 of a kilometer.
no, it's more than that.
I thought so too,
like
and then I looked it up one time.
No, it's like 2 and something. 2.25.
So about 3 kilometers, Mom.
Let us know in the comments. What's the difference between a mile and a kilometer?
I think we already
Well, we know
asked
the
people
difference. Is this it?
Tell us the ratio.
that. Must be it. Let's go.
Do you see a wee wooden sign?
I don't see a wood.
I don't see a wooden sign
I don't see a wee wooden sign.
or a hike anywhere.
It's a turnaround point. Is that the wee wooden sign?
Where's Dad?
I don't see any wood.
Where's
I
Dad?
don't see a wee wooden sign.
I want to know.
Daddy's missing.
Yeah, I thought I saw him when we were passing that last trailer.
Yeah, he was there.
Maybe Dad hit.
Oh, Dad hit the trail.
No, I saw him go past.
What's he doing now?
Maybe he stalled out.
He doesn't have an automatic.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, he has an automatic. He doesn't have a
Hey,
standard.
wait,
Hey,
him.
Hey.
Yeah, it is.
No, that is him. That is him.
Go.
There he is.
Oh, he's honking at us.
He's honking. What? He won't answer.
What is he doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Oh.
Wait, that's the guy?
Yes,
Oh, he saw my head hanging out the window. Maybe he's on video. Y'all got to see the guy who knows where the wee wooden sign is. The wee wooden sign.
Speed up.
Speed up! Like an Irishman. Drive as fast as the Irish, but don't kill us like you did last time.
Didn't kill us ever.
She almost killed us last time.
What? I did not.
She did.
I don't see any wee wooden sign.
I don't see the wee wooden sign.
When did I almost kill anyone?
Where's the wee wooden sign?
Oh, he drives really fast.
Yeah.
Oh, he drives really fast.
Either he just drives really fast or you just drive really slow.
Oh! I don't understand the point in putting that line there. What car is going to be able to squeeze on the other side of the line? There's the wee wooden sign! There's the wee wooden sign!
Alright.
Oh.
Thank you!
Wait, Dad can see.
Oh, there's a little like.
Aww.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Hi, are you filming for YouTube?
Oh yeah, are
Is that
you?
what he said?
No. He said we gotta follow the wee wooden sign.
We got a what?
We gotta follow the road until we hit a wee wooden sign.
Got a little tight there, and we were dragging a stick underneath.
You were dragging a stick? What?
We were, and then finally the stick pulled away. Did he actually say we?
Yes, he said you're gonna follow the road about 2 miles until you hit a wee wooden sign.
Pictures on below.
Are you speaking Irish? Because I don't know what that means. I look like an
Teachers
Irish-
on board.
Teachers on board.
Oh, fairies! Yeah.
Look at the sign. It says ferries this way.
A fairy. It's a fairy house. They got mushrooms. There's a fairy riding a snail there.
Cutest thing ever.
Do you want to go in? Hey, there's a little fairy notepad thing. Look. Doesn't he want to go together?
There's a fairy.
Come on. Me too. Me too. Me too. I just went on the other side of the fence and just climbed on the rocks. Yeah.